Recently, Welshman Ncube, interim leader of the Citizens' Coalition for Change, made a startling claim. Ncube asserted that Nelson Chamisa's strategic ambiguity has inflicted more harm on the CCC than any internal recalls led by Sengezo Chabangu. According to Ncube, Chamisa's leadership deviated from the founding principles of the party, creating a rift that will take years to mend. He emphasized that the challenge ahead is monumental, restoring the opposition as a true democratic alternative to the ruling ZANU-PF. Ncube also highlighted that while Chabangu's role was controversial, he was indeed a recognized member of the CCC's hierarchy. This admission shifts the narrative, underscoring the internal complexities and the need for unity and clear direction within the party. As Zimbabwe navigates these turbulent political waters, the call for strong, principled leadership has never been more critical. Stay informed, Zimbabwe. The future depends on it.